Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Snapchat account. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, what we need to do, we need to go and open our Snapchat app over here as you can see. And so whenever we open Snapchat, we'll go to click on our profile or our avatar picture up to the left corner. And so whenever we click on it, we need to choose the settings icon, which is as well on the corner but on the right side. And so we're going to choose the settings icon up to the right corner over here. And now we'll go down a little bit slowly until we can go to the section which is support. And we're going to click on I need help, the second option. Okay, and so once we click on I need help, as you can see here, we have shortcuts. But we'll go down also a little bit. And we're going to click on need to get in touch and choose contact us over here. And wait a few seconds until a new page open. And from here to submit a request, the last option says I want to deactivate or delete my account. And so we click on it. And from here we have some instructions, but easily to go for that, just click on Snapchat accounts portal. And once you directed here to this page, you need to enter your email or username and click on next. And then lastly, you need to put your password in order to deactivate your account. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.